All right, so we're here at Armitage Park campground. We stayed here last night, dropped that video of what it was like here. We went over to Premeir RV Park, checked out that space, and thought for $15, I want to think, and 51 cents more, somewhere right around there, that we were going to use this spot again tonight, just for funsies. But the cool part about this spot is I came back and I'm like, oh, my coach is sitting here in the sun. But if I move over here, my coach really won't be sitting in the sun. So we're gonna take a quick little drive all the way around the loop, come back in and put it right here now. So I'll go over to Premeir because I got to go over there and do a service on an Aqua Hot and do a couple other small things. So right now I'll take you over there, show you that spot that I would have had, give you an idea, let you listen to things. I'm sure you can hear my diesel idling in the background, but after I park, I'll turn that rattle box off again and let you hear how quiet it is here. And the water tests out way better here, if I'm not mistaken, than that Coburg water too. But let's get this show on the road. Let's get out to Premeir. I'll show you that lot, and then we'll do the little closer after I get into my new spot here. All right, everybody, good day. We are at Premeir RV Resort. This is not a combined junction with the guys in Junction City. This is an RV park that was here actually well before those guys had come up with their business name. But we're going to take you into the Aqua Hot service world. So if you don't have an Aqua Hot, you might not be interested in this, or you may be very interested in this. So in this particular bay, well, let me go unlock the base. So I'm going to unlock the base, but in here is going to be the Aqua Hot. We'll give you a little quick couple notes here on our way over here to get the bay doors open. This particular one is going to be one of the last country coaches ever produced by Country Coach. It's still on the original owner that bought this coach. There we go. Got my code put into the door. Coach is unlocked. Hit the bay. Unlock a couple times to be safe. Close this door up. But this would be one of the last coaches produced. Let's get over here where the lighting is good and let you guys all see the side of this bad boy. But this was special order. It's a 3-slide. It's owned by a gal named the RV Goddess, Terry Taylor. She has a blog, an RV checklist. She's been in this blogging, vlogging. She doesn't do videos, but she's been doing the RV thing for much longer than me. Luckily, when this coach was produced, they brought it to me directly from Country Coach delivery area. Boom. All right, so as you can see, I didn't always make it to Palm Springs every winter. So old Howard, he's made his way in here again. But we're gonna do the service here. We've got this fuel filter up here that we're gonna replace. We're gonna change out the nozzle on this and clean the burn chamber. And then check a couple fittings, because this particular year inside of there has some hardline water fittings that sometimes will leak on the relays. But you always want to make sure none of that stuff's happening. Be proactive instead of reactive. But we'll get this thing started up here. All right, the unit was hot. Went inside, ran a bunch of cold water through it, cooled this down. Now again, this is going to be one of the last or most modern style that they had made. I mean, I'm sure there's some generations after this, but this coach, for example, is 7034. I mean, we're talking one of the very last built. So this is the style where you don't even have a radiator cap right here. You actually fill it through this hose and through the bottle or through the drain in the bottom. I'm gonna go grab my tool bag, get this thing torn apart, let you guys all get a view of the inside of this thing. All right, I'm done playing in the sun. I kind of cut that in and out so that way that time lapse even went faster, because it still took a while. Whew. The GoPro fell off the door that I had forgot right as I closed it. Nearly broke the lens. But everyone, it's a beautiful day. We are here at that RV park now. Just across the pond would have been the spot that I was gonna have that I did not use. These awnings are looking good. The wind is coming up. Let's get them retracted in before we have any problems with them folded up on the roof. But this coach here, really unique color scheme. I'll be 100% transparent. It does have some checking. It's spent the majority of its life in Palm Springs at the Motor Coach Country Club. If you are from the Motor Coach Country Club, you've probably seen it before. After you see the back, it will come to light if you've seen it. This is the one that I flew to the RV park or RV storage facility in Thermal, California, outside Palm Springs, outside Indio there. And I changed the inverter in it in this particular bay, and then I did that silver leaf update, so now it's running around with the new inverter in it, which is good for them. This coach came factory with the 365s on the front end, so the all suspension is designed and engineered for the 365. Super cool coach. But let's get this last blind done. I just wanted to give you a quick time lapse of changing out that filter, the nozzle, and then I did the burn chamber, but the camera shut down because it was so hot midway through there, and then got it going again. So let's get this closer shot over there at Armitage Park. But no complaints on this park. It's just the trees aren't there, and it's just not that cool cubby feeling, and it's not right off of Coburg Road. It's, like I said, right off the freeway. You may hear that background noise of the trucks going by. So all right, quick little time lapse of tearing that entry door apart there. So customer complaint is kind of hard to open and close. Monicos are super popular for that. As you saw in the middle, gave you all a quick shot of the Tri-Flow, one of my favorite lubricants for motorcycle chains, bicycle chains, and a lot of different stuff, even squeaky overhead cabinets. But went in, lubricated all that, check that door harness, move that into the proper position so that way it has a little more longevity. And then we got that door panel all back together. So everybody, we'll get you into this closer here, but thanks again for coming along. All right, we're all set up. She's moving a couple chairs. Looks like she maybe has made a little mess, but no problem at all. So as you can see, now we're in the shade. So beautiful deal here. I'm gonna have to give Armitage Park still the thumbs up. Even their normal spaces out in the more elementary lots per se, it's this group A and B that are the hidden gems. But there is a lot of nice spaces out there, not quite as shady as the other ones, but still works out good. The Wi-Fi at Premeir RV Resort is only good enough for emails and no streaming. So basically it's useless to a guy like me and anyone that wants to watch YouTube. So may as well just stay here. So all right, everybody, that's it for the day. Thanks everyone that's taking that time to subscribe. Hit that like button, drop a comment below what you think. If you've stated both of these or either one of these, drop me a comment below what you think. But till next time, everybody, hope you're all having a great day. Bye-bye now.